सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज हम देखेंगे कि हम टॉर ब्राउज़र कैसे डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। उसका मैं आपको एक पूरा वीडियो दूंगा टॉर ब्राउज़र डाउनलोड करने का। सबसे पहले अपने ब्राउज़र पे जाइएगा एंड ब्राउज़र पे जाके यू कैन राइट टॉर डाउनलोड, simply write tor download, and the link that you will get, download tor project from torproject.org. Just click to it, and here is the site, and just scroll down and select the operating system that you are using. It's for Windows OS, Linux, or Android. So as I'm having Windows 10, so I will just install for Windows. So see, now it's showing me where to save, so I will save here. So I've saved the program and now it's downloaded. So let's see, and just quickly download it. So it will auto pop the installation process and it will go normal installation process. You can make a new folder. So it's a very small browser, so it won't be taking much MBs. So see, the setup is complete and you have completely downloaded Tor browser. So I will just finish it off, and as we can close this, and we can just click to the connect option. So we will just wait till Tor processes a connection. And now we have opened the Tor, and now we are totally anonymous. So to check if we are anonymous, we can check by check.torproject.org and just click it and see. Here you have, and congratulations, this browser is configured to use Tor, and your IP address to be this, which is not exactly my IP. So there's another thing that we can check. We can check for DNS leaks as well. So let's do that also. Just search DNS leaks. And just click the first link that you get. So we can do the extended test to know more about the connection and to check if we are totally anonymous or not. So let the system do its checking. So it will take some time as it's running on Tor. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes. So as you can see, it will take some time. So here is the result, and this is our IP, which is not exactly my IP, and my internet service provider has also changed, and the country has also changed, which proves that our Tor connection is successfully made and it's showing a different country. It's different from where I am. So that's it guys, that's how you need to download the Tor. And there's another feature in Tor. You can just on the right side top hand corner you can see the security level, and for now it's set to standard. You can change the security level at advanced settings as well. So here you can see there are 3 security levels: standard, safer and safest. You can choose according to your needs. So that's it guys, thank you, and please like the video if you liked it, and please comment below the next video that you want to see, and please subscribe as well so that you can get the latest update of this video. Thank you guys, bye bye.